Viking 14 is an exercise where you're training heads and chiefs of missions in a comprehensive environment, and that means that the civilian, the military and police organizations are training together.
What are some of those civilian organizations that are working with the military in this?
We have, for example, UNHCR, we have the International Red Cross, and several other organizations, both local organizations and international organizations.
And so that's what comprehensive means, right? What does comprehensive mean for this?
To us, comprehensive means that we are working together for the common best. So the military can not only make it best for them, and the civilian organizations cannot only make it best for them. We have together to try to make the common good for each and everybody, respecting each other's different agendas, of course.
So what do you expect to gain from working together from this exercise?
We are gaining better individuals in the fields and in the missions. We make the mistakes here during the exercise so we can avoid them out in the real missions.
Good. Have we learned, I know it just started today, have we learned any lessons today?
Yeah, we have learned, I think, really many lessons at this stage. I cannot mention any really lessons, but I've been around and I've heard people talking to each other, and just by talking you do learn a lot.
Good. I'm going to look and make sure I didn't miss anything. Is there anything you would want to add about Viking 14 or about your position?
Not about my position, but the Viking 14 exercise is a large cooperative exercise where a lot of people work together, and we learn each other's agendas, as I said, we learn each other's meanings, and we learn what we like to do out in the field.
The only other question, General, that I have is what part does the U.S. play? We have just a few soldiers here, and what are they contributing?
The US have a great role to play, and had because the first Viking exercise back in 1999 was a bilateral exercise between the Swedish Armed Forces and the United States Armed Forces, and then it has continued all over the years, and especially the technical platform has been very important for the Viking exercises, and the technical platform started from the United States.
I would add one more question. I'm doing another story on the media gaming.
Yeah.
It seems like a really cool thing. What does that add to the exercise?
You mean the media gaming?
Yes.
The media gaming adds a real flavor to the exercise, because media, in a real mission, media is important. It gives important inputs for the commanders. Of course, they cannot trust it, but it gets they get the flavor of what's happening out in the field. How does people preserve them? How does the different organizations preserve them? So that is really important.
Does it feel good to have the exercise underway and started finally?
Yes, it's always good to have it underway. But on the other side, when you've been working very long for exercise and then it suddenly ends, it feels a little bit empty.